Indian runner duck just finished having his bath, drying off. He's going to have some peas. He loves peas. You keep moving. Not very good picture, is it? Hey, you keep moving. Hey. You're putting peas all over the floor.